Guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video I am going to be making a drink with pineapple, ginger and apple. And if you're new here, welcome, and if you're here with me all along, thank you for staying. And you guys make sure you hit that bell so if and when I do an upload you will be notified. So let's get straight into the video. I am going to wash all my fruits and I'll be right back with you. So now we're finished washed everything, and I'm gonna put on my gloves and we're gonna go straight in. And today this video is going to be a little bit late. So we're gonna just cut our bell pepper in half. We're gonna knock the seeds out. You can put these in your garden. We don't have to cut up the bell pepper because we are using the Coven out of 10. Ginger, we're just gonna cut it up. And today we are using some very small apples, so I won't be coring them. I don't know if I should use all of the bell pepper, but let's cut the top of this pineapple off. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we are going to peel it. I have a pineapple corer, but I'm not using that today. And we are going to use all the pineapple. And you know that pineapple helps with inflammation in the body, pain. You can add a little turmeric to it. So we're going to take all of these skin and we're going to pop them in our pot. We put them into this little white pot. We'll add some ginger later and make a nice refreshing juice, so you don't throw away your skin. Skin have a lot of benefit in it. Ooh, this is juicy. Look at that. We are trying to get the core out. So we don't have to cut up everything. Cut them in 4 pieces. That's the core. And we are ready to make our juice. So let's clean up and get right back to you. So now we are ready to make our juice. As I said before, the apples are a bit small, so I'm not going to core them. I just took the stem out of them. And we're going to start our juicing. So we're going to pop the lid open and we're going to start putting some apples in. Wow. Oh, I think I should put the ginger in with the apple. I'm gonna put some of the ginger in. Let's see if we can find it. Find the pieces. Yep. Yep. So we're gonna pop some more apples on top. And I think I should just put a piece of pineapple. Let's start with that. Now close our lid and we're gonna start our juicing. So guys, here we have everything in our Covin Auto 10, and soon you will see the juice start to accumulate in the mixing bowl. And this drink gives us vitamin C, and it is good for our health, our eyes. Look at the color. I've added some apple for the sweetener, which is good. Take a look, guys. And the flavor of the sweet pepper is mild compared to the green one. This yellow chunky sweet pepper. Let's take a look to see how everything has been crushed and squeezed for us to get our juice. The pineapple combined with the bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the ginger and the apple. Look at the color. And if you're on diabetic medication, please check to see whether the bell pepper go well with you. And the trash is coming out, and you know you can always use this to make a smoothie, which is good for your gut health. Now we have a full mixing bowl and we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Now we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Let's get into it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna lock our smart cap and we're gonna go again. So high fiber foods such as bell pepper slow down how quick sugar is absorbed into our bloodstream. So this is a nice drink for us to try. It is loaded with vitamin C and good for you. So I'm gonna stop the juicer and put more things in. So I'm gonna pop some more fruits in. So we'll put the pineapple, we'll put a piece of the bell pepper, ginger, apples, and we're gonna keep going. So we're going to close the lid and we're going to start again. And don't forget our pineapple. They are good for heart health, aiding digestion, boosts immune system, reduce inflammation, and much more. Look at our juice. We have a full mixing bowl now. We're going to let out our second batch of juice. There you have it. So we're going to switch jugs and we're going to continue because this one is full. Look at that. Pineapple is low in calories and sodium but high in fiber, making it a good choice for weight management. So this drink has a lot to offer, and here we have our trash and we have our juice coming into the mixing bowl, and in quick time we will have a full mixing bowl. And we all know that pineapple is a symptom of arthritis, and it is high in nutrient, speed up recovery after a surgery, and so much more. And also it reduces the risk of cancer. So it is good to have your real and your natural juice. So we are going to let out our third batch of juice. There you have it. So we're going to continue with what we have left. We're going to pop the rest of pineapple in. Ginger and 3 apples. And we're gonna close the lid and start making our 4th bat of juice. So let's test this trash to see how dry it is. Yes, it is dry. It is well squeezed. I have 2 apples left, so I'm going to use them for decoration. So now we have a full mixing bowl. Look at that. Look how rich the juice is. My goodness. So now we're going to let out our 4th batch of juice. Here you have it. Ooh, that looks good. So now we are going to serve our drink. So guys, we start to decorate our little area. So I'm going to just cut some strip of bell pepper. Okay. So let's serve our drink. Wow. Who wants to try this drink? Let me know in the comment section. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. I'll put some ice. So guys, see you in the next video. So there is your close-up look.